Hello students, I am Dr. Priya Parkar, have more than 3 decades of teaching experience in degree college. This video explains the concept of ecological pyramid or the food pyramid in the ecosystem. This topic is significant in environmental studies, geography and foundation course, and it is a continuation of my earlier video, Ecosystem, the structure and its components. You will find the link in the description box below. Now, let us begin. Before we start to understand the concept of ecological pyramid or food pyramid in the ecosystem, have a look at the expected questions in the examination. In offline mode of examination, question may come for 5 marks as write a short note on ecological pyramid. Also, a long question might come for 10 marks such as define the term ecological pyramid and describe different kinds of ecological pyramids. Ecological pyramid, graphical representation of structure and function of different trophic levels in the ecosystem. It becomes narrow at the top due to regular decrement in the properties such as energy, biomass and number. You must be thinking about the reason of its triangular shape. Why not it is a rectangle or circular? This is because producers means green plants are found at the bottom and only they provide food to all located at different trophic levels above. Obviously, the number of producers is always larger than the consumers and relatively less food is left for the consumption of other consumers. So, fewer living organisms are found at the top of the pyramid. So, the pyramid becomes narrow at the top. 3 types of ecological pyramid exist in the nature are: number 1, pyramid of numbers; number 2, pyramid of energy; and number 3 is the pyramid of biomass. The study of ecological pyramid is necessary because they show the feeding of different organisms in different ecosystems as well as energy transfer across the trophic levels. This helps us to monitor if any damage has been done to the ecosystems, which we can prevent and protect the ecosystems from its destructions in the future. Dear students, click the like button and provide your comments. Do subscribe my YouTube channel EduCafe for such short and informative videos on topics from environmental studies, foundation course and geography. Now let us look at the pyramid of energy. In pyramid of energy, the producers means green plants use sunlight and convert it into the energy. The producers consume this energy and around 90% of energy is lost in the form of heat in the process of evapotranspiration. Evapotranspiration means green plants take water by their roots from soil and release excess of water in the form of moisture through leaves. Thus, only 10% energy is passed on from trophic level 1 to trophic level 2, that is from producers to the herbivores. Herbivores consume this 10% energy by eating the green plants. Again, 90% energy is lost in the environment in the form of heat through the process of respiration. Thus, only 1% energy is passed on from trophic level 2 to the trophic level 3, that is from herbivores to carnivores. Carnivores thus gets only 1% energy by consuming the herbivores. Again, 90% energy is lost through the process of respiration in the form of heat. And the omnivores gets very less energy, that is only 0.1%. Thus, the pyramid of energy shows that the flow of energy decreases with every increasing trophic level from bottom to top. The energy is highest at the bottom of the pyramid and it is lowest at the top of the pyramid. Now, we will study pyramid of numbers. In pyramid of numbers, the total number of living organisms in each trophic is considered as a level in the pyramid. The base of the number pyramid is broad because large number of producers, that is green plants, are found at the bottom of the pyramid and they provide food to all. The number of organisms goes on decreasing towards the top of the pyramid because there is comparatively lesser food is available for the secondary, tertiary and quaternary consumers. The pyramid of numbers is reverse of detritivores that starts with dead organic materials, where many organisms feed on one dead plant or animal. Now, the third pyramid is the pyramid of biomass. The word biomass is made up of two words. Bio means living organisms and mass means sheer matter, or in simple words, it is just a weight. In the biomass ecological pyramid, each trophic level takes into account biomass produced by each trophic level. Generally, the biomass goes on decreasing from bottom to the top of the pyramid. Only exception is marine ecosystems, where large number of zooplanktons depend on a relatively smaller number of phytoplanktons. Today, we see inverse ecological pyramids, where the trees are cut due to massive deforestation to bring the forest land under non-forest uses like agriculture, trees, dams, roads, etc. The herbivorous animals are hunted. The carnivorous animals disappear due to the loss of habitat. In an ideal ecological pyramid, the number of omnivores should be limited. But in current reality, it has increased due to rise in human population. Thus, overpopulation of human being, deforestation and loss of biodiversity has imbalanced the ecological pyramid, which has resulted into environmental degradation. The takeaway from this session is that each living organism in the ecosystem is important. It may be producer, top consumer or the decomposer. The role of predator, that is top consumers, is also significant in controlling the number of primary and secondary consumers. So, a forest with tiger or lion is considered a healthy forest ecosystem, as it ensures the existence of all types of living organisms in forest ecosystem. The famous story of the Yellowstone Park ecosystem from USA also tells us the same thing, where earlier the wolves were removed from the park. That increased the number of the deers and other herbivores, which then destroyed the grass cover, further led soil erosion and was responsible for change change in the river course. Then, realizing the mistake, the forest officers reintroduced back to the wolves in the Yellowstone Park, and that brought unexpected changes in the ecosystem and physical geography of the. So students, if you all like this video, please subscribe EduCafe YouTube channel for notification of new videos.